起
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美國 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
呛地哈，
干嘛？我们在录音也要有等一下。
没有啦，我们今天的电话主题就叫做呛地哈。
对，讲电话可能会用到这个术语，对不对？
对，
要等一下，呛地一哈，
呛地哈。
Wait a moment，OK。
然后再来就会讲到说，帮你把电话转给谁啊？
对，
老五轉天花本記，
老五轉天花本記 That means I will put you through to the person you're looking for. 那可能是在旁邊而已呢，可能就會說，請等一下，不要掛斷，我叫他聽電話。
就是一樣呛地一哈，
呛地一哈，
唔好掛踢，
唔好掛踢，
捱險記躺天花。
捱險記躺天花 That's good. Again, very useful. So let's repeat them for you. 請等一下 which means wait a minute.
呛地一哈，
搶電一哈 And then let me transfer you to someone. 轉電話給他，
轉天花本記，
轉天花本記 And then finally, 不要掛斷 Don't hang up.
唔好掛踢，
唔好掛踢 That means do not hang up. And there you go. Another edition of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
俺是誰張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.